Good evening to all of you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Our today's topic of group discussion is early bird versus night owl.
Yes.
So today I and my team is going to speak in the favor of early bird. So early bird is a person who wakes up early in the morning. There are lots of health benefits of waking up early in the morning. As the pollution level is very less in the morning and you get very fresh air. So it is ideal for doing exercise or having morning walk or doing yoga.
If I'm talking about early birds and night owl, I totally prefer night owl because why I am think night owl is better than early birds. Why? First thing is management. If you're night owl, you have sufficient time to manage and planning about your next morning. Early birds, you have not sufficient time to prepare your upcoming plan.
Okay, sir, I disagree with your point. If you are early bird, if you are a night owl, you will not wake up early in the morning. And on the other hand, if you are an early bird, so you wake up early in the morning and you have lots of time to accomplish your tasks throughout the day.
There are lots of reasons
Okay,
to
you have
become a
lots
night
of
owl.
time to do.
Yeah.
You feel very
No, there are lots of
and you have
reasons
lots of time to
become a
accomplish all
night
your tasks.
owl. Wait, there are lots of reasons to become a night owl. We are not saying that if the person they are misusing their time unnecessary, they are using social media, it's really bad. But if the person has a lots of work and he is a time punctuality and they want to complete their work start the next day, it is good for become the night owl. And I am also night owl nowadays because we have a lots of work and we have to do the work, but we are not taking that work like a burden in our health, but it is good.
Okay, I think the person who is a night owl, that person don't take sufficient sleep, and I think to maintain a good health, we need to take sufficient sleep.
Okay, so
Okay,
depend on the
Night
person.
owl doesn't mean
They don't have sufficient time to sleep.
He or she
It
don't
depends
have-
on the person. If they have a sufficient time, so
6 hours are enough.
Yeah, 6
6
hours
hours
is
of
enough.
sleep. But
If a person wants 8 or 9 hours in a per day, it depends on the person mentality.
But I am not agree with your point because
Okay.
according to the scientists, there is a meta morning hormones in our brain that secretes with the pineal gland. It hormones is responsible for sleep.
Maybe
But
you are saying that
another
it is
scientific
good.
data who prove that if which person who have a night owl who have a night owl, they have more productive compared to the early birds.
Okay,
But
so I want to say
in-
that. I want to
But
say you.
I am not agree with your point because there are lots
You are
of
talking about some scientific survey. I am also talking about
But
some
in-
scientific
so,
survey.
if you are talk about the productive person,
Only I am talking about productivity.
So there is a many of
Yeah.
many of the world's biggest businessmen who used to sleep early in the night.
There are many
And many of them are night owls
So,
too.
so
La-
just tell me, what about the graveyard shift people who are
Yeah.
working job in a whole night? What about that? They are also preferring because they have two opportunity to do the job in a daytime and they choose night. Why?
And because of that,
What?
they have lots of health issues also.
No,
I have a point of
no,
They are
no,
suffering
no,
with lots
we
of
have,
health
we
issues.
have
I
lots
have
of
a point.
example.
In my according, there if you are a night owl in the late office work, you are balance the sleep and work easily. But if in according to society going to according the morning type of person, if you see about example like colleges, offices and schools are also start from 8 to 9 a.m. to from morning. So what happened in this situation?
Yeah,
So it depends on the
many
person.
offices-
No, it depends on the
It's
person.
benefits for early bird to going school in.
No, no,
Yes.
many of the offices is starting their evening and night
Yes,
blast.
but
Why?
moreover
Because
the college-
Most of the
If you-
jobs like telecalling jobs in the lots of jobs. They are
Why the
starting at night.
government should be
It's not
prepared to go
It's
come
not
to
a government
school
job.
like
It is
me?
not a government job. It's a private job also.
Can I explain my point?
Yeah, yeah. You
So
can
why the
explain.
government should be prepared to going to school to children to going school and colleges early in the morning 7 a.m. early in the morning? Why? Because the mind is fresh more than fresh up in the evening. So in the morning. So
I little bit agree with you, but in the case of student and college boys, they are beneficial. The early birds are beneficial. But if we talk about the employees, mature person, they night owls.
And lots of private companies they prefer to join the night shift.
They have to wake up at late night, and they have to wake up at night.
It's not about
No,
the
it's
meanwhile
not
pressure.
about
It's
the
about
pressure.
the choice.
It's choice.
It's their choice.
Company doesn't
There are
say,
more of the
company
people
doesn't say
who
that you
are,
have to work in late till late night and
Company
you have to,
says that
no,
if-
you have two opportunity, but lots of people prefer to the night graveyard shift.
If I am a night owl, I have sufficient time. What the work, what the wrong work done by me in the
my
early
day.
time, and what the good work done by me.
And also the night
we have
night
to
owls
work
also
on-
they were
What
into
about
planning
that
for the next day.
situation?
What
What
You know,
about
they
that
can plan about
situation?
their next day too.
and
If you
Night
woke
owls.
up
If
if you woke up
if you
early
sleep-
in the morning, what about
if you
the
sleep in
if you
early,
wake up
early
early in the
night,
morning?
how
how
can you wake up early in the
forget
morning?
about the
It's not about waking early in
what
the
did
morning.
you-
It's about
what
planning
did
for the
you-
next
So
day.
you can plan also early in the night. This is
Early in the morning.
I also agree that's our point, but in my point of view,
Early in the
human
morning, I
tendency,
want to say.
we are forget whatever we done by yesterday. I don't know whatever I eat in early morning. Just first I think about that. But if you are night owl, you have sufficient time. What the work, what the good work done by you, or what the wrong work done by you. You have then you can rectify your, you can implement your that work. You can do a good plan to the next morning. But if you are early bird,
And
then
yes,
you don't have
and-
that type of.
And
You can
no,
also
I say
do
there
this-
are also time
If I say
management
lots
for
of
early
early
bird.
In the
Disease,
morning.
you gave the point of
In
disease.
the
Lots
early
of people
morning.
they
you
wake up.
get disease, but
No,
mental
disease, they get lots
depression.
of pressure and
But
disease.
in the case of night owl, they're mental depression and they don't want to think about that type who are early bird thinking.
Okay, so if the person wakes up in
Stressed.
early in the morning, okay, it's a really good habit, but they don't do the exercise and yoga, they don't focus
So
on
why
their work.
the
They
problem?
also are, I think they are also depressed. We
Yes.
can't say that lots of people they wake up early in the morning and they are very good.
No, but
They
lots of
wake
people
up
why
early in the
they
morning
are
and then they
depressed.
have morning walk.
Why they
It's a very less chance.
You are
Lots
talking
of
about
people, lots of people.
There is
Can
an
I-
option of night walk also.
you are talking about the students or the persons who have morning shifts. So it's their condition. They have to wake up early in the morning. Otherwise, they are also meanwhile they are also been
No, but
sleeping
all
in the day.
people are prefer to wake up early in the morning. Why the
It is
why,
a
why
con-
people are
Why
becoming night
teacher-
owls? Why the teacher taught
why
the
people are becoming night
student-
owls?
why
Night
the
owls
teacher
because of social media.
Okay, why the teacher taught to the
Whatever.
students is little student when is he the nursery, and why they are taught that ki early in the morning, early in the rise. Why there is a poem in the primary school, I think. So why?
If a person wake up in the morning, so he is energetic also, and he thinks more productive and more creative comparing to night person.
In a research, it is found that night owls are more creative
More
than the
productive,
early
productive and
productive
Than
and
the early
creative
bird.
in comparison to early
but
birds.
night owl also tired from the whole day, and he also did something wrong, wrong with their work. But in the morning, who have a creative mind, who is energetic, so he did. If he learn book, if he learn anything, so he easily get new things from
No,
their.
as
books
sir
also.
mentioned in their point, it depend on the person, whatever the person done in their work in a day. So I already mentioned that it depend on the person. Suppose I am the now night owl person, I have lots of time in the morning and I want to take a sleep for 5 to 6 hours per day. It's my choice. We can't say that.
So I think you are not debating on the early bird night bird. You are
No,
you
no,
are briefing
night
the
owl.
quality of the people. If we
No,
are
not
opposite,
people.
if we are opposing the night owl, so you says that it depends on the people. And if we favor on the early bird, so you say that the
When
person is not.
when you said nowadays we are
people-
night owls, is it affecting your health or not?
It is affecting my health also,
Yes.
but no,
Yes.
but
I was saying.
wait, it affecting my health, but after that what am I thinking? I think that it is good for me.
So, but nowadays lifestyle is not like that earlier's lifestyle, because everything is changed. At that time, they didn't have that too much of work like meanwhile factories and etc. The people who are working there, they have to do the night shifts, and it's not about the night owls. I'm just comparing that time and this time. That time they don't have these type of systems, the pressure. Nowadays the pressure is too much, sir. And to just reduce the pressure, we have to meanwhile be a night owl, because at a daytime you have the whole pressure from everywhere, from your school, college, work, etc. and etc. But at the night time you just get relaxed. After that you can work over those things. How do you get pressurized whole day, and you can work over those things and improve yourself.